Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ann Design Craft channel. Today, I'm excited to share a special project with you. My unique bunny pattern made entirely from 3 pieces granny squares. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to create this adorable and fun bunny, perfect for adding a touch of charm to your crochet collection. You can find the granny square pattern in my previous video. I will share the link on the description. Let's start crocheting. First, prepare 3 pieces of the granny square. Here, I used 4-ply cotton yarn and 3.0mm crochet hook. Grab 2 granny squares and join one side edge together. Start by inserting the hook into the corner of the squares and make a knot to secure them. Insert the hook from the top and pull through to make a slip stitch on the second square. Return to the first square, insert the hook into the next stitch, and make a slip stitch. Continue this process. Insert the hook into each corresponding stitch on both squares and make a slip stitch, joining them together. Repeat this step until you have completed joining the entire side edge of both squares. After you've completed one side edge, let's continue by joining the next side together. Once you finish joining the 2 side edges, you will have a cone shape. Now, grab your third granny square and join it with the other 2. Insert the hook into the corner of the third piece and make a slip stitch. Then, continue joining one side edge of the third square to the first granny square by making slip stitches along the edge. After joining the first side of the third granny square to the first piece, continue joining the next side. Use the same method of slip stitches along the edge until both sides are fully joined. Continue joining the next side again without cut off the yarn. Once all the pieces are joined, you'll have 2 remaining sides that need to be folded in half to form the bunny ears. Before doing that, fill the inside with polyester fiber until it's fully stuffed. Now, fold the remaining sides in half to form the bunny ears. Then, join the edges together by slip stitching along the edge toward the middle. Continue making slip stitches to join one side of the ear completely. At the end, make a chain to secure the yarn. Then you can cut the yarn and hide the leftover tail within the stitches. After that, place the eye beads in the position I point to in the video. The eye beads I'm using have a diameter of approximately 1 centimeter. Use the safety plug if you have. Lastly, join the remaining side together using slip stitches along the edge. Once it's fully joined, your project is almost complete. Use the pink yarn to sew the bunny's nose in between both eyes for the finishing touch. Use the yarn to sew both ears closer together to create a better shape. Lastly, make a pom-pom for the bunny tail. You can do this by wrapping yarn around your hand or using a pom-pom maker if you have one. Continue wrapping until you achieve the desired thickness. Tie a tight knot around the center to secure all the yarn strands together. Use scissors to cut the yarn along the edge and then trim any uneven parts to shape the pom-pom. Finally, sew the finished pom-pom onto the bunny's tail using yarn. And there you have it. The adorable bunny made with granny squares is complete. I hope you enjoyed this project and found the instructions easy to follow. Feel free to share your finished bunnies in the comments or tag me on social media. I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!